Welcome back on to other stories now. HDFC Property Fund will be exiting its 10% equity stake in Lodha Developers World Towers project in Mumbai after tripling its initial investment. In an exclusive chat with CNBC-TV18's Kevin Lee, Lodha Group MD Abhishek Lodha spoke about the details of that exit and the road ahead for the company. Here's a slice of that chat.
HDFC Fund had made an investment of 500 crores in our World Towers development in 2010. Now that the project is approaching completion, World Crest has already been delivered and World 1 possessions will commence in early 2017. We are now buying out HDFC's stake in the development. We still have 2 more towers to go, and we think that development has a fair amount of upside from this point onwards, especially with the completion of the first towers and the quality of the product that's come out. So the 500 crore investment that they made in 2010, we've now bought out their stake for 1,500 crores.
Well, even in a tepid real estate market, private equity players seem to be interested in investing in Lodha because, I think primarily because of your strong sales record. Piramal had invested a few months back about 2,300 crores in Lodha. So how much of that money has been used to give an exit, or is it driven by sales? How does that work?
So the HDFC exit, money of course is fungible. The HDFC exit is a mix of our internal accruals from the sales of World Crest and some of the money from Piramal.
And at this point, are you looking to raise any more private equity for projects under completion right now?
No, at this stage, we are quite comfortable with our overall position, and we are not looking to raise any major private equity at this stage. We'd like to keep our external funding, whether it's debt or private equity, more or less consistent or flat with what it was at the start of the year.
Well, there have been talks about Lodha doing an IPO for a few years now, and I keep asking you this question, and like you said, you have a standard response, but you have private equity funding. You're saying you're not looking for funding right now. What happens to that IPO plan? Does it get further delayed, or what is the timeline?
We're taking all these steps to make ourselves, a truly well-run professional organization, and then the public issuance is a next step of that process. We still expect that sometime over the next 18 months, we will hope to do a public issuance, of course, subject to market conditions.